In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We're walking through how to download and install the Cursor AI code editor on your computer. The process is nearly identical across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, with just a few small differences depending on your operating system. By the end, you'll have Cursor installed and ready to open without any confusion. First, head to the official Cursor website using your preferred browser. It's important to download only from the official site to make sure you get a safe, up-to-date installer. Once you're on the download page, you'll see options for different operating systems. Choose the one that matches your device. On Windows, clicking the Windows download will save an installer file, typically with an .exe extension. When it finishes downloading, open the file. If you see a security prompt, confirm that you want to run it. The installer will guide you through a few quick screens, like selecting an install location and optionally creating a desktop shortcut. Keep the defaults if you're not sure. Click Install, wait for the progress to complete, then finish. You can now find Cursor in the Start menu or on your desktop if you created a shortcut. On macOS, download the macOS version, which usually comes as a .dmg file. Open the .dmg, then drag the Cursor app into your Applications folder when prompted. If macOS shows a message the first time you try to open it, that's Gatekeeper doing its job. To proceed, open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and choose Open Anyway for Cursor, then confirm. After that, you can launch it from Applications or Spotlight. You can eject the disk image and delete the downloaded .dmg once installation is done. On Linux, you'll typically see an app image or a package for your distribution. If it's an app image, save the file, right-click it, open Properties, and enable the option to allow executing the file as a program. Then double-click to run it. If you downloaded a .db or .rpm, open it with your software installer, confirm the installation, and wait for it to complete. After that, you'll find Cursor in your Applications menu. Once installed, open Cursor from your system's app launcher. The editor may check for updates automatically, so you can safely delete the installer to free up space. If anything doesn't open on the first try, restart your computer and try launching again. That's it. You've downloaded and installed Cursor AI on your system. Enjoy exploring the editor and customizing it to your workflow.